Hello everyone, my name is Kuldeep Singh Rathod and welcome in Gatewala platform. As you guys know, the Gate 26 response sheet, answer key and master question paper is already out and lots of students willing to take a admission in IITs, NITs or they want to join PSUs and different reputed organization like DRDO, ISRO, NIC and all. So guys, already as you know, NIC also released their like short notification after gate result. They are going to recruit for multiple different posts. Similarly, ISC Bengaluru already announced their MTech admission sooner. The lots of the IITs will also do the same. Similarly, if we talk about different PSUs also start recruiting, like the GAIL is already announced their form. So you need to be aware about your gate scorecard. You need to aware about your expected gate rank. So individually lots of students check their paper, like whatever response they submit through the master question paper and master answer key, but like it's a too time taking, and definitely you have a best way to utilize check your scorecard and all. So the PW rank predictor is already live. You can utilize the PW rank predictor and check your expected score and expected rank, because individually you can check your marks but you cannot get idea how much ranks you are getting. So for that you can utilize the rank predictor, where the all the like expected rank is also visible by comparing with the other students. So how you can utilize this? First of all, you need to visit the Gate 26 website. Then you need to click the application portal. You need to submit your enrollment ID, password, and then after that you need to do the calculation and put the data here. And once you click, then you need to log in. Once you log in, you will land on your individual student portal. So your details are there, and after that view response tab is there. So you need to click on the view response. Once you click on the view response, then after that there are three options are there: master question paper, master's answer key, and your response. So you need to click on the your response, where you are able to find out one URL. At the above part, one URL is there. You need to copy it. I already copied it from one student, so because I didn't appear in the gate examinations now, so that's why I already taken this thing from the students and I'm putting the same. Then you need to visit the PW rank predictor. The gate rank predictor 26 is already live. The link of this rank predictor is available in the descriptions of this video, comment section of this video. You can click on this directly, you will land on the rank predictor. Then after that you need to put your response sheet. So same I am doing the same. Okay, I already taken the response sheet of URL of one student. So the response sheet URL is there. Then you need to put the name. So whatever name is there, okay, yeah, whatever your name you can put. So I am doing the same. Whatever your name is there, you need to put. Okay, then after that you need to put your mobile number. So whatever PW register mobile number you have, you can put. I am hiding the same because I am the mechanical engineer. I don't want the girls will message me. Okay, I don't want any distractions, so that's why I am hiding my number. It's just a joke. So actually whenever the number is leaked na, that time lots of students will start texting us, so that's why I'm hiding it. So for an example, if we talk about, you need to put the OTP. Okay, once you put your mobile number, after that the OTP part is there. So you need to put like gate OTP. So once you put the gate OTP, then whatever OTP you will get, you need to put it. Okay, and once you the OTP is put, you need to put I have read the terms and conditions, and then there is like predict now. So once you click on the predict now, they will reflect like what is your expected rank. Okay, whatever your rank and expected scorecard and your marks. So guys, those students who want to check, they can check through this process. So you are able to find out the expected predicted scorecard. So by utilizing this scorecard, you are able to fill the form of different PSUs and all. The almost the range are similar. Okay, but like by getting the data of the students, the things are there, like we'll compare with the other students, like who is the topper and who is getting the highest marks. Accordingly the normalization calculation, each and everything we are doing. And whatever students more than you already getting a better marks than you, so this rank is also expected rank is also there. By comparing the loads of the background calculation, and also already the best options are here. You just it's just simpler to use. Lots of students are doing the manual calculation. It's a too time taking. You are an engineer, be smart and utilize the PW rank predictor. Definitely you will easily able to predict your rank and scorecard, and accordingly you can apply in the different institutions. Rest, if you have any other doubt regarding any issue and whatever marks you are getting, check with this and put in the comment section of this video. I will tell you the options, like which options you have according to your marks. So check your marks with the rank predictor, put in the comment section. Stay connected on Kuldeep Sir _ PW Telegram channel. Thank you so much. See you on another video. Till then, goodbye. Take care.